Short mini game lang tayo ng Would You Rather. So, would you rather mag-disappear ang favorite food mo or yung favorite song mo?
Favorite song.
Favorite song?
Ay, you like your favorite food too much.
Yes.
That's
Parang
one of
mas
the best
food.
things that life can offer. It's food.
Oo, tama. Okay, would you rather mag-disappear ang eyesight mo or lahat ng memories mo?
Mahirap.
Grabe. Ayoko pa naman mabulag.
Kasi hindi mo na makikita.
Yeah. Memory na lang.
May
Yeah.
siya, girl.
Memory na lang kaysa eyesight. Kasi gusto ko pa rin makita yung mundo than my memories.
Ako siguro, for me, I think it would be my eyesight. Kasi parang nakita ko naman na lahat ng gusto kong makita sa mundo. So,
Hello, ako na lang ang magiging mata mo. Ikaw na lang ang magiging memory ko.
I love it. Would you rather mag-disappear lahat ng sapatos mo or lahat ng bags mo?
Shoes. I love bags. Hindi pa rin mawala yung mga bags ko. House of Little Bunny.
ako, I don't mind mawala pareho.
Wala siya makialam. Basta may memory siya.
Okay, would you rather mag-disappear ang birthday mo or yung favorite holiday mo?
Favorite ko kasi yung birthday ko eh. Paano ba yan? Birthday ko, favorite holiday. Holiday. Yung holiday na lang. Kasi favorite ko birthday ko. Gusto ko talaga yung araw na pinanganak ako.
Ako, I don't mind using both.
Hoy?
Grabe ka naman. Dapat yung birthday mo, yung
Kasi
matira.
parang araw-araw ko rin naman birthday.
Bakit?
Kasi,
Oh. Would you rather mag-disappear ang kakayahan mong umibig or ang kakayahan mong magsalita?
Mag-disappear na lang yung kakayahan ko magsalita. Para nakaka-give pa rin naman ako ng love through actions and mata-mata.
ako rin, I'd rather disappear yung kakayahan ko magsalita kasi parang walang, I don't think, parang there wouldn't be no warmth and no kindness without love.
Yes, kailangan talaga natin ng love. Love is all that matters. Faithful and forever, keeping us together. Love is all we need.